This video is compiled from an article at MLMsuccess.com titled Business Advice from the Piano Man, Billy Joel. Why don't the Beatles get back together? Why don't nobody sing of romance? Oh baby, all you want to do is dance. Billy Joel was right. People persist in beliefs even when impossible. Today, you can't get the Beatles back together since John Lennon and George Harrison are dead, but you can take their voices and make a new song with the four Beatles in it. AI is like magic. But not everything lasts forever. Take the retail to recruit system I taught for 30 years. At the time, consumers were open to other product choices. That system exploded many network marketing teams because the market was open to higher quality products and other options. Today, the market has changed and we all know the retail market for consumable network marketing products has become blockbuster. It is over. The truth is 99% of distributors who have entered the profession the last 20 years were never taught a logical, sequential system for customer acquisition, and then converting many of those customers into team members and building a real business. They have been going into the market worrying consumers to death, trying to convince them to change brands and try their company's vitamins, skincare, household, and other consumable products. The market, potential customers, are burnt out, and they don't want to hear another pitch. That is the truth. We all know it, but nobody can admit it. Even if your product really is life-altering, consumers have been hearing that over and over for 50 years from network marketers. That is one of the reasons a real disdain for network marketing companies and their products is so widely felt in today's market, especially in the USA. The residual income lifestyle network marketing offers is as powerful today as it ever has been, but only if you have the right products or services at the right time in history, with the right company. When evaluating a niche, you have to judge it by today's standards. 70% of households in the USA today have an Amazon Prime account. When normal human beings run out of their multivitamin or any other consumable product, network marketing companies are trying to sell. They simply click one button and add it to their Amazon order. When you really stop and think about it, does it make logical business sense in 2024 to try to build a business competing with Amazon in the consumable products niche? It hurts me to say this, I have personally earned millions of dollars with network marketing consumable products, but those days are over. Sometimes you just have to realize it is not 1995 anymore and admit the emperor has no clothes. If you told me you want to manufacture typewriters, I'd advise against it. And as some of you know, I spent 5 years of my life working for IBM. So you need a niche that is constantly growing and has customers that are passionate about your product or service. This is a real secret to network marketing team building success for 2024 and beyond that nobody is talking about. Why? Because 97% of network marketing companies are in the consumable products niche. You don't have to be the sharpest tool in the shed to figure this out, you just need a little common sense, don't you? To become successful with the network marketing business model in 2024, you combine an insane niche and passionate buyers that really want the products or services you are marketing. Success Magazine had an article 25 years ago that changed my career. The theme was, if people want what you are selling, you will get rich. Up until that point in my career, I had marketed products and services that I believed in and I knew people needed, but they really didn't want. They were happy with the brands they were using and had no interest in changing. Sound familiar? The good news is, I have found the perfect product niche for 2024 and beyond. Currently, it is a huge $450 billion market, but it is projected to grow to $1 trillion by 2023, and there is no MLM competition. You can learn all about the market and the opportunity here, www.100ksidegig.com, and I would recommend that you take a few minutes now and make yourself aware of this brand new category creating company. The link is in the description. If you found this information thought-provoking or valuable, we hope you will consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and your comments and feedback are always appreciated. Much success!